Now we will do exercise 9.4, that is based on GP, that is geometric progression. So exercise 9.3. The first question is, if 20th and nth, find 20th and nth term of GP, and GP is given to us 5 by 2, 5 by 4, 5 by 8 and so on, right? This GP is given to us. Here if A1 is first term of the GP is 5 by 2, right? Second term of the GP is 5 by 4. ऑलरेडी क्वेश्चन में हमें ये गिवन है दिस इज ए जीपी, सो कंटिन्यूअस टर्म्स का रेशियो सेम होगा. अब हमें ये जानना है व्हाट विल बी दैट रेशियो, राइट? फॉर फाइंडिंग दैट रेशियो वी कैन डू A2 बाई A1. कॉमन रेशियो हम फाइंड कर सकते हैं बाई कॉमन रेशियो R विल बी A2 बाई A1, राइट? A2 by A1. A2 is 5 by 4. Second term of the GP is 5 by 4. And first term of GP is 5 upon 2. Right? This is equal to 5 upon 4 into 2 upon 5. Denominator will be reciprocal. Right? 5 cancel out, 2 cancel out. So it is half. Common ratio is half. Common ratio of this GP is half. Right? Now we have to find 20th term of the GP. अभी हमने लर्न किया है कि nth term of GP is A into R raised to power n. nth term of GP is given by A into R to the power n. Right? So, according to this formula, we have to find 20th term. So we will take n as 20, A20. A20 is equal to n के जगह हमने 20 डाल दिया. So A into R to the power n minus 1. n की जगह हमें 20 पुट करना है. So 20 minus 1, it will be 19. So formula for 20th term will be A into R to the power 19, which is equal to, what is A? A is 5 by 2. A means first term, A1. 5 upon 2 into R to the power 19. What is R? R is half. Half to the power 90. We can write it as 5 by 2, 5 into half raised to power 19. That is equal to 5 into 1 by 2 to the power 20. Right? It will be 20th term. Now we have to find nth term of the GP. So nth term of GP will An is equal to A into R to the power n minus 1. This is formula for general term of the GP, that is nth term of the GP. A into R to the power n. What is A? A is 5 by 2. And what is R? R हम already find कर चुके हैं, 1 by 2 raised to power n minus 1. This is equal to 5 upon 2, 5 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 to the power n minus 1. 5 into 1 by 2. यहाँ पर पावर 1 है और ये पावर क्या है? n minus 1. 1 by 2 की पावर 1 and into power n minus 1. Bases are same, so power will be added. पावर यहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगी? 5 to the 1 by 2 to the power n. That is an, यानी कि nth term of the GP. So 20th term of GP and nth term of GP हमें फाइंड करना था, जो हमें मिल गया है, right? Let us come on second question. Second question is, find 12th term of GP whose 8th term is 192. 12th term of GP, A12. 12th टर्म ऑफ जीपी हमें फाइंड करनी है एंड एट्थ टर्म इज 192. A8 हमें गिवन है, A8 इज 192 एंड कॉमन रेशियो R इज ऑल्सो गिवन विच इज 2. जीपी की हमें 12th टर्म फाइंड करनी है, 8th टर्म हमें गिवन है, कॉमन रेशियो हमें गिवन है, राइट. किसी भी टर्म को फाइंड करने के लिए हमारे पास दो चीजें होनी चाहिए, फर्स्ट टर्म एंड कॉमन रेशियो. कॉमन रेशियो ऑलरेडी हमें गिवन है, सो हम फर्स्ट टर्म फाइंड करेंगे. A8 is given as, A8 हमें क्या गिवन है, A8 is 192 as A8 is equal to 192 and what will be the formula for A8? Formula for nth term, A into R to the power n minus 1. If we put n is equal to 8, so A8 will be A into R to the power 8 minus 1, that is 7. So 8th टर्म का फॉर्मूला होगा A into R to the power 7. So A8 के जगह हम लिखेंगे A into R to the power 7. This is equal to 192. Now what is A? A is 2. 2 into R, what is R? So sorry, we don't have A. A हमें फाइंड करना है. A into what is R? R is 2. 2 to the power 7 is equal to 192, right? Now A will be 192 upon 2 to the power 7, that is equal to 192. What is 2 to the power 7? 2 to the power 7 is 128. So cancel this. 2 9 जा, 2 6 जा, 2 6 जा, 2 4 जा. इनको हम 32 से कैंसिल कर सकते हैं. 32 3 जा एंड 32 2 जा. सो A इज इक्वल टू 3/2. A हमारे पास नहीं था, A हमने फाइंड किया है, राइट. नाउ वी विल फाइंड R, कॉमन रेशियो ऑफ द जीपी. जीपी का कॉमन रेशियो क्या होगा? कॉमन रेशियो ऑलरेडी हमारे पास है. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड A18. A18 is equal to A into R to the power, sorry, A12 फाइंड करना हमें. A12 will be A into R to the power 11. A12 के लिए फॉर्मूला क्या होगा हमारे पास? A into R to the power 11, that is equal to, what is A? A is 3/2 and R is 2 to the power 11. 3/2, this is 2 to the power 1 and this is 11, so it will be 2 to the power 10. 3 into 2 to the power 10, 3 into 2 to the power 10 is 1024, that is equal to 3072. So A12 will be 3072. 12th term of GB will be 3072, right? Now let us do question number 3. Question number 3 is 5th, 8th and 11th term of GPR P, Q and S respectively, then show that Q square is equal to PS. 5th A5, 5th 8th A8, 11th A11, 11th term of GPR P, Q and S. A5 is P, A8 is Q and A11 is S, right? 5th term हमें P गिवन है, 8th term Q गिवन है, 11th term S गिवन है और हमें प्रूव करना है. देन शो दैट, हमें शो क्या करना है? Q स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू PS, ये हमें शो करना है, राइट. ओके, सी A5 is P, as A5 is equal to P. This implies, what is formula for A5? A5 can be written as A into r to the power 4. That is given P. This is equation 1. A8 is Q. A8 is equal to Q. This implies formula for eighth term will be AR to the power 7. A into R to the power 7. This is equal to Q. Right? A8 and A11. A11 is equal to S. This implies AR to the power 10 is equal to S. This is equation 3. A5 हमें P given था, so A5 को हमने क्या लिखा, AR to the power 4, that is P. A8 is Q. A8 को हम लिख सकते हैं AR to the power 7, that is equal to Q. A11 is S, so A11 is AR to the power 10, that is equal to S. Now we have to show that Q square is equal to PS, right? इसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे, राइट साइड को सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं PS, right? Now PS is equal to P into S. राइट साइड को लिया हमने यहाँ से. PS is equal to what is P? P is here AR to the power 4. AR to the power 4, right? And S की जगह हम क्या लिखेंगे? S is AR to the power 10. This is equal to, right? Now A into A, that is A square. A into A is A square. R to the power 4, R to the power 10. That is R to the power, bases are same, so power will be added. R to the power 14. We can write it as AR7 whole square, right? Now what is AR7? AR7 is Q, so it will be Q square. This implies we can say PS is equal to Q square. Fine. यही हमें शो करना था. PS is equal to Q square. Next question is question number 4. Fourth term of GP is square of the second term. Fourth term of GP is equal to square of second term. And first term is minus 3. A1 is equal to minus 3. Determine its seventh term. A7 हमें फाइंड करनी है. A4 is A2 whole square. फर्स्ट टर्म A1 minus 3 गिवन है. A7 हमें फाइंड करनी है. नाउ as A4 is equal to A2 whole square, A4 is equal to A2 whole square. This implies what will be A4? Formula for A4 is A into R raised to power 3. This is equal to A2. A2 is A into R to the power 1, that is whole square. A4 को लिखा गया A into R cube and A2 is A into R, this whole square. This implies AR cube is equal to A square into R square. A square into R square, right? So we can cancel A square है यहाँ, एक पावर कैंसिल हो जाएगी, यहाँ पर ओनली वन पावर बचेगी. यहाँ आर स्क्वायर है, स्क्वायर से क्यूब कैंसिल होगा, एक पावर यहाँ पर बाकी बचेगी. सो लेफ्ट साइड में हमारे पास आर बचा हुआ है एंड राइट साइड में वी हैव ए. सो आर इज इक्वल टू ए. लेफ्ट साइड में आर टू द पावर 1 है एंड राइट साइड में ए टू द पावर 1 है. सो वी हैव आर इज इक्वल टू ए. दैट इज कॉमन रेशियो इज इक्वल टू फर्स्ट टर्म. बट ऑलरेडी हमें फर्स्ट टर्म A1 minus 3 given है. A is first term, A is A1. So A की जगह हम क्या पुट कर सकते हैं, -3. So R is equal to -3, right? कॉमन रेशियो हमें मिल गया. फर्स्ट टर्म हमारे पास है. Now we can find A7. What will be A7? A7 is, formula for A7 is AR to the power 6. This is equal to, what is A? A is minus 3. What is R? R is also minus 3 to the power 6. Right? So it is minus 3 to the power, we can say 7, minus of 3 to the power 7. This will be our seventh term. इसको हम सिंप्लीफाई भी करके लिख सकते हैं 3 to the power 7 को, right? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 5th। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5th में हमें एक सीक्वेंस गिवन है एंड उसकी कुछ कोई टर्म हमें गिवन है, हमें फाइंड करना है कि विच टर्म ऑफ सीक्वेंस इज दिस, दैट इज वी हैव टू फाइंड n, राइट? इसके लिए जो हम यूज करेंगे nth टर्म का फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे। फॉर्मूला फॉर nth टर्म इज वी हैव a into r to the power n minus 1. This is formula for nth term. So in question number 5, the first part is we have a sequence 2 root 4, 2 root 2, then 4 and 128. One term of this sequence is 128 and we do not know which term of this sequence is 128, right? That is, we have to find n. Let us assume that nth term of sequence is 128. हमें नहीं पता 128 कौन सी टर्म है, इसलिए हम अज्यूम कर लेंगे कि इस सीक्वेंस की nth टर्म 128 है। Let an is equal to 128. Nth term of sequence is 128. It means, what is formula for nth term? Formula for nth term is a into r to the power n minus 1. This is equal to 128 will be as it is. Now इसके लिए हमें r की जरूरत होगी। r क्या है हमारा? r can be obtained by r is equal to a2 by a1. And what is a2? 2 root 2. What is a1? a1 is 2. So it is root 2. That is, r is root 2, right? Now we have a and r both, right? So a is 2, a को हम 2 रखेंगे, r is root 2. Root 2 raised to power n minus 1. This is equal to 128. Root 2 raised to power n minus 1 is equal to 2 को हम राइट साइड में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, 128 by 2, that is 64, right? So we have root 2 raised to power n minus 1 is equal to 64. What is root 2? Root 2 is 2 raised to power half and this has power n minus 1. जब पावर के ऊपर पावर्स हो तो पावर मल्टीप्लाई हो जाती है, so it will be 2 to the power n minus 1 upon 2. This is 2 to the power n minus 1 upon 2. This is equal to 64. 64 को हम लिख सकते हैं 2 raised to power 6, right? So both bases on both sides are same, so we can compare powers. n minus 1 is equal to 2 raised to 6. This implies n minus 1 is equal to 2 को राइट साइड में मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं, 12 implies n is equal to 13. So we can say 13th term of this sequence will be 128. Next question. Let us do C part of this question, fifth question. Question number 5, part C. In part C, we have a sequence 1 by 3, 1 by 9, 1 by 27, and one term of this sequence is 19683. हमें बताना है कि इस सीक्वेंस की कौन से टर्म 1/19683 होगी, राइट? सो इन सिमिलर पैटर्न जैसे हमने पिछला क्वेश्चन किया था, वी हैव सीक्वेंस में हमारे पास a1 क्या है, फर्स्ट टर्म क्या है 1/3, एंड कॉमन रेशियो ऑफ द सीक्वेंस AR, common ratio of the sequence R is equal to, it will be A2 upon A1, that is equal to 1 by 9 upon 1 by 3, 1 upon 9 into 3 by 1, so it will be 1 by 3. So we can say common ratio of this sequence is also 1 by 3. First term हमें मिल चुकी है, common ratio we have, right? Now हम सपोज करेंगे nth टर्म ऑफ दिस सीक्वेंस इज 1/19683. इस सीक्वेंस की nth टर्म क्या है? लेट an is equal to 1/19683. an is this. Now what is formula for nth term? nth term के लिए फॉर्मूला हमारे पास होता है a into r to the power n minus 1. This is 1 upon this. पहले हम इसके फैक्टर बनाते हैं 19683. इसको अगर 3 से डिवाइड किया जाए 3 6 18, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This is 3 to the power 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This is 3 to the power 9. Right? What is a? A is 1 by. So इसको हम लिखेंगे 1 upon 3 to the power 9. Right? Now we have a is 1 by 3, so 1 upon 3, what is r? R is also 1 upon 3 to the power n minus 1. This is 1 upon 3 to the power 9. लेफ्ट साइड में बेस हमारे पास सेम है, पावर्स ऐड हो सकती हैं, so it will be 1 upon 3. This is 1 power, this is n minus 1 power, so ऐड करेंगे तो ये n पावर हो जाएगी. This is 1 upon 3 to the power 9. 1 upon 3 to the power को हम 1 upon 3 whole to the power 9 लिख सकते हैं. So by comparison n is equal to 9. Mean ninth term of the sequence is this. यानी कि A9 is equal to 1 upon 19683. इस सीक्वेंस की नाइन्थ टर्म क्या होगी? 1 upon 19683. Fine. Next. Question number 6. For what value of x the numbers will be in GP? Suppose we have a sequence. Suppose we have three numbers A, B and C are in GP. ये 3 नंबर क्या है, जीपी में है। फाइन, अगर ये 3 नंबर जीपी में है, सो दिस इज फर्स्ट टर्म, दिस इज सेकेंड टर्म, दिस इज थर्ड टर्म। सो A2 by A1 should be equal to A2 by A1 हमारा should be common ratio of this sequence. Alright, so we can say A2 by A1, that is B by A, is equal to common ratio of the sequence. Right? अगर हम फाइंड करते हैं, also we have A3 by A2, A3 by A2, that should be also equal to common ratio. So A3C upon B is equal to common ratio R. So we have two values of R. R is equal to B by A, R is equal to C by A. Right? This implies R की दोनों values same होनी चाहिए. B by A is equal to C by B. By cross multiplication we have B square is equal to AC. यहाँ से हमारे पास एक relationship generate हो गया इन तीनों terms में, B square is equal to AC. So we can say square of the middle term, that is B square, is equal to product of first and last. That is, it means if three number A, B, C are in GP, then product of product of first and last is equal to square of middle. Square of middle is equal to product of first and last. इसी फॉर्मूले पे बेस, इसी रिलेशनशिप पे बेस हम एक क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं, क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. We have minus 2 by 7 x and minus 7 by 2. Minus 7 by 2 are in GP. ये तीन नंबर हमारे GP में है. Right? Then we have to find x. x हमें find करना है. If these three numbers are in GP, then square of middle. Square of middle mean x square. अभी हमने रिलेशनशिप प्रूव किया है, B square is equal to AC. So square of middle is equal to product of first and last. First is minus 2 by 7 and last is 7 by 2. This implies x square is equal to, कैंसिल होगा, 7 भी कैंसिल होगा, माइनस माइनस इज प्लस, x square is equal to 1 implies x is equal to plus minus 1. x can be either 1 or minus 1. Right? x हमें फाइंड करना था, so x will be either 1 or minus 1.